So in this Threads tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to manage custom words and phrases on Threads. So once you have Threads opened up on your device, go down to the bottom right and press on the profile icon. Now once you're in this screen, go to the top right and press on the two horizontal lines. Now what I want you to do is go to where it says privacy and press on privacy. Go to where it says hidden words, press on hidden words. Then once you're here, go to where it says custom words and phrases. For me, it's turned off, but if you want to turn it on, or if you want to manage the custom words and phrases, simply just press on manage custom words and phrases. Now you can add whatever word you want. So if you wanted to, for whatever reason, block the word hello, you can just press hello and then press add. I'll press add, and there you go. The word hello is now, if you want to delete it, just highlight it and then press delete, but there you go. That is how to manage custom words and phrases on Threads. I hope this video helps.